do for them?
Yeah, my ministry is basically community, family and community besides the women. So we are working together very closely with the Ministry of Education. And at the same time, I'm chairing a council on children, consultative council on children. So all the children, all the children's problems, welfare and issues. In fact, just coincidentally, I just had the meeting yesterday. Yeah, and we had a very good kind of discussion. And as you know, and those in my committee, besides the relevant and related ministries, is also with those people that are very much with children at heart. So bullying, yes. So at the same time, that's why, as I told Nick just now, I said if there are many of you, I can clone him around, giving this kind of talk.
She's going to help us spread this talk to every school in Malaysia.
Yeah.
That's what she She's going to help us, hopefully. Is that a yes?
Yes.
She's ready to be
That's why
Can we thank her?
I'm here tonight.
Thank you.
Because it's so relevant. Because as I said, when I chaired the meeting, was it yesterday or this morning? When I chaired the meeting yesterday, it moved me. On certain problems, not only bullying, mind you, there are other things that are, but it's closely related to family. It's closely related. So I was telling Nick just now, some are having very low esteem. So that's why when he started talking tonight, I was saying this. I was feeling this hope, this ray of sunshine to me. If these young boys and girls, we can bring them together and just hear you talk about it, then I think it's a much better world. Yeah, it's a much better world. And mind you, Nick, I'm not saying, I'm not trying to paint a picture that, Malaysia is not how terrible we are. No, I think this is across the globe.
It is.
It's not only in Malaysia, but this is what we're trying to inculcate. Family happiness, strong family unit. Now, Nick, you are where you are now because you have the love from your parents, and they mean so much. And when I spoke, and it so happened, I just want to tell you that in this council of ours, taking care of children, we have children inside there, sitting inside there. So we're not making up what is it that they want. It's right from themselves. What is this? Apa nama bersama? Budak tu, that young boy. He's representing his. I said, what's this young boy? So he's the representative, one of the members in my council. So I really treasure whatever he has to say. And Nick, there are aspects of bullying, and as you say, bullying happen when now your question is because they themselves have no confidence in themselves, and this fear that they have, so they thought they want to be the superhero, they start bullying around. It's just to hide the kind of limitations that they feel they have in them. So that's why they start bullying around. So these are the kind of people that they need help actually. So that's why I said, but you must take that first step to get the help. And one of them is listening to Nick. Yeah, why not? Yeah. So we are working very closely together with not only education, actually it's with the police and many more under our National Blue Ocean Strategy. Thank you.
Thank you.